Hello and welcome back. Today I have got something fun and challenging for you. Not just your regular age problems but also riddles that will twist your brain and test your algebra skills. Are you ready to try these fun age riddles? We'll start with 3 common age word problems and then move to 3 clever riddles. I shall solve them for you. And 3 tricky ones you will try on your own, all using linear equations in one variable, the transposition method. So are you ready to crack the code? Let us recall types of age-related problems done before. N years ago or n years before, n years later, n years hence, or after n years. And also, here are the points to remember. Now let us do the next 3 types of age-related problems. The third one is ago and hence in one sentence. And here the sentence is 6 years ago, I was 1/3 of the age. I will be 6 years from now. So in all these type of questions, as I told you before, we have to suppose, let my present age be x. Now 6 years ago means x minus 6. We have to frame an equation. I was 1/3 of the age means 1/3 times I will be 6 years from now, that is x plus 6. And we have to solve this equation. Now to solve this, first multiply both sides by 3. So we get 3 times x minus 6 is equal to x plus 6. Open the bracket, 3x minus 18 is equal to x plus 6. Here we use the method of transposition. Take x from the right hand side to the left hand side. So plus x will become minus x, and minus 18 from the left hand side will go to right hand side, which will become plus 18. And so we get 2x is equal to 24. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x is equal to 12. So the present age is 12 years. Now the fourth type, future age as a multiple of past age. 10 years from now, I will be 3 times as old as I was 10 years ago. So as before, you have to suppose my present age to be x. Now 10 years from now means it is going to be future. So let us frame the equation for 10 years from now, x plus 10. I will be 3 times as old as I was 10 years ago. 10 years ago I will be x minus 10, and 3 times means 3 times x minus 10. Now you have to solve this equation. So for that, first simplify the right hand side and you get x plus 10 is equal to 3x minus 30. I'll just change the sides. So 3x minus 30 is equal to x plus 10 to avoid negative sign. Please remember, variables we keep on the left hand side and constants on the right hand side. So this will be, now you use the method of transposition, take x on left hand side and constant on the right hand side. So we get 3x minus x is equal to 10 plus 30. 2x is equal to 40, and dividing both sides by 2, we get x is equal to 20. So the present age is 20 years. Now the last and the fifth type, future age as a multiple of present age. And the sentence is, after 4 years, my age will be twice my current age minus 4. So let us suppose the present age be x. After 4 years means x plus 4. You have to frame the equation, x plus 4. My age will be twice my current age minus 4 means 2x minus 4. Now you have to solve for x. So x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 4. Coefficient of 2x is 2 and x is 1. So I am going to change the sides. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. And now use the method of transposition. So we get here x is equal to 8. Present age is 8 years. In algebra, you have to write step by step, one below the other. And always remember, variables are on the left hand side and constants on the right hand side. Now here are the 3 fun riddles. Let us solve it step by step. The first one, I am a special number. Take away 7 from me and you will still have enough to make a full soccer team. A full soccer team has how many players? 11 players, that's right. If you take 7 away from the special number, you should still have 11 left. So the equation is going to be x minus 7 is equal to 11. Solving for x, use the method of transposition and you have x is equal to 11 plus 7, that is equal to 18. So the answer is 18. Here is the second riddle. Walk around a triangle counting each of its 3 corners exactly twice. No more, no less. Add that total to me and you will have exactly 25. Walk around a triangle counting each of its 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. So you are doing it twice. So you have 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Now the next part, add that total to me. That means it is going to be x plus 6 and you will have exactly 25. So this, when you set up the equation, it is going to be x plus 6 is equal to 25. Now you have to solve for x using the method of transposition. So you have x is equal to 25 minus 6, which is equal to 19. So the answer is 19. Now the third question, what am I if I give a clever clue? You will find me easily if you take me away from 32. So let the unknown number be x. And you are going to take me away from 32. So the equation is going to be 32 minus x is equal to x. Now solve for x. 32 is equal to 2x. Changing the sides, 2x equal to 32. So x is equal to 16. So the answer is 16. Now here are 3 riddles for you. You can try yourself. The first one, I am a number. When you subtract 5 from me, you get 12. Who am I? Second riddle, I am a number. If you double me and then subtract 7, the result is 15. Who am I? And the third one, I am a number. If you add 3 to me and then divide by 2, you get 6. Who am I? Now here I will give you the hint because it is given if you add 3 to me and then divide by 2. So actually you are dividing the full thing. X plus 3 by 2 is equal to 6 and then multiply both sides by 2 and proceed. Now the answers are, for the first one it is 17, second 11 and third one is 9. Solve them all? Let me know. So how many riddles did you crack on your own? Let me know in the comments below. And if any riddle stumped you, don't worry. Watch it again and try solving it step by step. And if you have enjoyed this, I've got more exciting algebra puzzles coming up. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss the next one. Goodbye and take care.